Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna 2.0 update for Sunday 18th of September. There's a pending downwards target that I'm still waiting for to see if it's gonna play out, and that is down to 1.7577. Maybe there's a little bit of this retracement pending to the downside, which is gonna be a nearly 40% drop to the downside at the moment for Luna. Now, currently speaking about it, let's remove all the drawings and let's dive into the 4-hour time frame. That's really messed up charts right now. It's so many different views right there. So currently, I was looking at this resistance probably, and it seems like this resistance is actually pretty heavy, isn't it? So you have that resistance, and you do have this line here coming down as well. So it seems like you're making a little bit of a sideways movement and a consolidation, isn't it? So this consolidation, I get it. Maybe it's an extended bear flag, perhaps. Who knows? This can even be an extended bear flag, and you break down on the bear flag like this, and then you're gonna be looking for that drop again. It still takes you down to 1.75, 1.73 ish. So be very, very careful at the moment. There's nothing any good about Luna right now, especially when you broke out of this very, very big resistance level, and now you're looking to come back and retest that resistance level. I'm just gonna bring in the old drawing right now so that we can get the clear look. So I'm going to remove that drawing right over here, this one, that one as well. Just a second, that's too much drawings. And something like this, something like that, and something like this, something like that. Okay, all right. So when I zoom out of here, you can already see that I told you about the dirty retest, and both Luna Classic and Luna 2.0 are looking for some dirty retest. All they did is, push to the upside to the moon, came down, and they're looking to bounce back from 1.73ish, 1.75, and maybe go back up. Who knows? That's because it's still a very clear break of support right now. And that's pretty much it for this update on Luna. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.